So we're gonna walk through Sao Paulo, all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins on St. Paul Street. It's quite a, it's gonna be very crowded in there, very crowded. But we're gonna be starting in here. There's lots of really nice little alleys. There's a nice, like a little square right here too, a little plaza thing. So this is where we're gonna be starting at. You can actually go up these hills and there's some, it's just new stuff in every direction from this point, to be honest. But we're gonna be going up to St. Paul ruins along St. Paul Street, Sao Paulo. So stay tuned for that. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're starting on our way up St. Paul Street. So we're gonna meander through this crowded street. This is getting started, so once we get up there more, it'll bottleneck into people everywhere, and we have to go uphill a little bit as well. But you'll see it all in a moment. Okay. Most of the people here would be tourists. Most of the people. But as a person that lives here, usually we don't walk down the street. I'll walk around it because I'll know some other ways to come to follow this. But since I have the camera and I want to show you what it looks like, I'm going to go all the way up. Actually, it's not too bad. Sometimes it could be just shoulder to shoulder. So we're doing all right. So we're going to continue on in a second. I'm just going to kind of work through these crowds a little bit. There's some other side streets up there. But let's just take a look and see where we were just at. So we just came up through those crowds there. Not too bad. Let's continue on. Okay. This is the street. Rua de Sao Paulo. Okay. So actually, not too bad. Sometimes that street can be extremely crowded, just shoulder to shoulder, you're just kind of brushing up against people. But it's not that way right now. Let's go into here real quick. Got some nice artwork in here. There's actually a little bit of an alley in here. I'll just kind of walk in real quick. Yeah, actually there's an, I have highlighted this one on its own. So, worthy of a small little excursion. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking on St. Paul Street. Actually, St. Paul Street, Sao Paulo, is actually continues to the left. So I kind of have to make a decision if I want to there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. So it actually goes all the way down that way. Just kind of see here. We are gonna go across in a second. But this is all part of Sao Paulo ruins, St. Paul Street. This is gonna capture. I'm gonna capture it from this statue right there as well. And then so yeah, St. Paul Street goes all the way down that way, but we were also on it that way too. So we're actually both locations. I think they must have some event going on tonight. Okay. So we're going to kind of walk in here a little bit. Oops. There's a church up there. Okay, let me just kind of walk. Sao Paulo's church. There's also this there's like a lot of people up there in the windows. Okay, we're gonna be walking back down. Let's just kind of go more up the hill a little bit. There we go. Kind of navigating these crowds. So we're gonna throw it back down. It's kind of hard because everybody kind of stops in all kinds of random places, so and people kind of walk slow too, so it's hard to walk. Okay. So down that way is where we came up, St. Paul, and then St. Paul will go the other way as well. So this street is also part of St. Paul as well. It's really lit up nicely at nighttime. So, okay. Capture some of these nice lighting. The tourist shop. We also have some cobblestone streets as well. Yeah, I like the lighting right now. It's amazing. Yeah, that's too bad. This one looks like it's looks like they cut off some of the traffic. It'd be a nice place to have like a bunch of restaurants, but there's also a lot of people that live here too. So. Macau Sol, they have wine. It's a nice little place to chill out. And we have a nice view of Sao Paulo ruins right here in the background. This is called Passion Street, Cabeça de Peixal. So it's really nice and colorful. The lighting is amazing right now. I have to make a decision how much I want to film on the street. To go all the way down, you can kind of already see it, but there are some interesting stuff along the way. This is almost never open. Huh. So that would be the end of our street right there. I've always seen this particular building, but I've never actually seen it open, so we're gonna walk into it. And then we'll probably end our video for Sao Paulo. I just never had a chance to come in here before. Huh, okay. Huh. It's really nice. Okay, I might just walk around and explore a little bit and see you. So we're gonna end our video right here. Okay, so I'm gonna continue down the street. So actually I did go into that a little bit. There's a street sign right there, Sao Paulo. I did walk in, but and because it's such a nice night, I do kind of want to walk down a little bit more. And I do see some stuff down there. I'm curious let's jump ahead. And this is the end of the street. And right at the end of it, there's also this little thing called Baixador. So you can walk down the hill into these areas as well. And I thought that I heard some activity down here. I think it may have been the Golden Piggy here, which looks kind of like a newer shop. That might hurt my video with the music. So we're gonna end it right there. St. Paul's.